as we went through the brief presentation about the web app which we have made, I'll be showing you the demonstration of it. So this is the first page, the login page, which uses ResVault and some JWT tokens for user authentication. So as you can see, the ResVault is already connected. I'll be logging in with my registered email ID and the password. The password here was not mandatory as ResVault already does the authentication, but just to be at the safer side, we included one more layer of authentication. So once the user logs in, they will be able to see their dashboard and other options which are like attendance and quiz. So let's go for the attendance. Since it is a geolocation based attendance, so you have to be actually present in the class to give the attendance. So this shows my current location for now. So let's say if we wanted to attend the DDS class and mark the attendance for it, so you can see on the map it's very far away, and this is the perimeter inside which only the attendance could be marked. And the app uses the app changes the location of the classes dynamically. So if it was some other lecture and it was in cruise hall, it changes it to the cruise hall. Since for the testing purpose we had a test location as well, which is this apartment. So as you can see, we are in the periphery of this apartment. So let's say if we wanted to mark for the art hall first, so you can see we are not in the periphery of it. So if we press on the mark attendance, it would simply not mark. It will say that attendance can only be taken from within the class proximity, and it makes use of our geolocation. So I've already provided the location permission to it. Then let's say we wanted to mark the attendance for the test location, which is our current location for now. So see, the location has been the attendance has been marked. So in this way we can make use of geolocation to mark the attendance. Once the attendance are marked, the user can go to the quiz page. Here also we have taken some checks which checks whether they are at the class location or not. So since let's say if we wanted to give quiz for ECS 265, first of all, these classes data are populated from the DB itself, from the resilient DB itself. So this is being fetched in the front end from the database through backend APIs. So for ECS 265, since we are not in the class proximity, we won't be able to see the quizzes. But just for the test purposes, we have some quizzes for the test apartment for this apartment. So we have two quizzes visible. So we can go with either one of it. So it's a basic quiz page with the progress bar, which shows how many questions you have already finished, the timer left, and the question and the options. So let's just simply go with it. Yeah. So this was from the user side, and let's go to the admin side for now. So we'll just simply log out, and the admin URL. Yeah. So the admin can have multiple views. It's for the students view where they can view the students, the quiz view, and the attendance view. For now, let's start with uploading the quiz files. So let's say we have a quiz in JSON format, and the admin can simply submit it. So for now, there were only two quizzes in our DB. If we refresh it, yeah, we can see a new quiz has also been uploaded. So once the admin has uploaded the quiz, the admin can simply log out, and the students can log in to see if the quiz third is available or not. So I'll just simply log in again. And again, I'll just make sure that the ResDB is connected. Yes, it is. So we'll simply log in with the ResWorld, and we'll be heading towards the attendance first. We'll mark the attendance for this location, and then we'll go to the quiz view. And as you can see, quiz 3 has been uploaded. So from here, I can simply um, give my responses to it. And once the quiz is submitted, this data gets pushed back to the resilient DB backend. So this is the transactions query in which um, yeah. So in this you can see my public key, which is again you can view this public key again in at the dashboard, and then the same script is these are the responses which I have like taken right or wrong, and the same thing is being pushed from the resilient DB to the MongoDB. So this is from the sync.js files. So from here you can see it. Yeah, here. So by this, we are able to push the code to the backend, and the resilient DB and MongoDB are working in parallel using the sync.js script. And yeah, that's for our presentation. Thank you.